What's up, guys? We're inside the tent. See inside the tent. Got the lights on. It's so freaking hot out here. I got a tank top on. It's not California. Chilling in here. Got food. Got some food. Coke. Plums. And a sleeping bag. My sleeping bag. My cousin's gonna sleep over tomorrow, so you might see him. It's really quiet out here. Just got up. Can hear people slamming doors outside. This is my favorite show when I was growing up. Winnie the Bear, Winnie the Pooh, and Piglet. Pig. I got a phone. Next year, when we get out of school, I'm gonna join motocross. If you don't know what that is, it's like a bunch of kids competing in dirt bike races. And when I win that money, I'm gonna get a GoPro, new goggles, and new clothes. Get a new phone. Like, get everything. We're outside. Well, I'm outside of camping. My cousin's gonna come over tomorrow when my mom gets home. Well, bye. See you later. See you tomorrow. We might do a 3 a.m. challenge tomorrow.